Hello everyone, today I will show you how you can use Google Translate to translate a PDF on MacBook or any PC. If you find this useful, then please leave a like and subscribe. So first, I will look for a PDF that we can translate. Let's say I'm just gonna go to any PDF. Let's say this PDF, right? And then I click on this PDF. So right now it's currently having a English language. So if I want to translate it into another language, I will click on the three dot at the top right and then go to translate, and then I can go to French. If I click on French, it will translate into French. And the article is now in French. So this is very helpful when you read the article from other countries, and you can translate it into English if you speak English. And that is how you can use Google Translate to translate a PDF. Thank you.